Hey everybody! Today we're going to be making Sunbutter Bears, which is a nut-free version of a recipe that I made when I was little. It's very simple and straightforward for even the youngest of chefs. We're just going to measure out 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar and 3/4 of a cup of dried milk. I was only able to find dried buttermilk, but both work equally well. Then we're going to take about half of a packet of graham crackers and crush them up until they are a fine powder. You could use a rolling pin or something like that to crush them up. The Ziploc bag definitely makes this a neater operation, so I would suggest that. You could probably make your graham crackers even finer than I did here. My bears ended up with pretty big chunks of graham cracker in them. And then it's going to be about a cup of your chosen butter. We went with Sunbutter this time, so it was a nut-free version that anyone could enjoy, but you could absolutely do it with peanut butter or almond butter or anything else like that. For this recipe, you're going to want to make sure that you have extremely clean hands, because as you'll be able to see in a second, the spoon will only get you part of the way mixed together. It's a fairly dry dough, so you will definitely have to get in there with your hands. As always, I take my rings off because you don't want to get cooking stuff stuck in your rings, and then just work it until it becomes a dough. I needed to add a little bit more sun butter, so you'll have to sort of work with your particular ratios of ingredients to make sure that you get a dough that comes together and is moldable. This recipe is almost like a edible Play-Doh, so it's something that you can have fun with before you eat, and it is pretty tasty no-bake cookies when you're finished. You want to keep working it until that the graham crackers become a little bit hydrated with the sun butter, and then you should be able to get it to the point where it has a consistency of a clay that then you can mold into your desired shapes. I always made bears when I was making this when I was a kid. Not entirely sure why, but they're a fun and easy animal to model. Working with recipes like this when I was a little kid really helped me feel confident in the kitchen and helped me become the cook that I am today. Just having the experience of working with something that's really fun and simple and delicious really helped me feel confident in the kitchen for years to come. You can eat your bear as soon as you're done making it. I really hope that some of you will give this a try and get some easy cooking experience. Thanks for watching.